Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to make this quick video in regards to these bad boys right here. Mine actually came stripped and I had to go get a tap and basically redo the threads. I did them on all of them, and it actually made a big difference, and I'd suggest you do the same. They don't do a very good job at tapping anything on these bikes, so definitely run a tap through there. But the size that you're going to need is a M8 by 1.25, and it's going to look like this. This is actually a different one, but that's a tap that you're going to need. And if you notice, got me a sweet new keychain. I contacted Moto Cheese and let them know where you could get a 190 for a pretty good steal, and as a result, talked to him for a while. Real cool guy. I like him. And he sent me a keychain, so definitely going to stay on my Hellcat key, as it's part of him, is part of the reason why I bought this thing in the first place. I wasn't really too sure about Chinese bikes, but after watching his reviews and watching him ride them, it's like, okay, actually worth making a purchase. Now, another one that I had an issue with is right here for the headlight bucket. They were all crappy. They all went in stiff and rough. But this one here, I actually broke quite easily, which I felt like a ding-dong, but it is what it is. We all make mistakes. But if you need to, which I recommend you do, tap all the holes for the headlight bracket, all of them, because even though you might get them in there, this will clean them up. The threads are pretty nasty. As you can see, there's a size. It is, if this thing will ever focus, M6 by 1.0. And what that basically means is M6 is the diameter of the bolt, and the 1.0 is the thread pitch. But like I said, I ran a tap through all these and got more junk out of the threads on that too. So definitely recommend you do that. And I know there's a whole lot more other people that have these that got cross-threaded at the factory. The left side of mine were both cross-threaded, which, it didn't really mess up the bolts per se, but it did tear up the threads down below. But I did run a die over these screws to make them nice again. You don't have to, but I did. But if you're looking just to basically thread your hole, that's an M8 by 1.25, and these here are M6 by 1.0. But I just wanted to make this video real quick to help people out who had the same problem that I did, which I'm sure there's a lot more. There's a lot of these bikes out there now. Hopefully this helps some of you out. Thanks for watching, guys.